Hello guys, today I show you how to add a sticker like this sticker, see? Like this sticker in Telegram, how to create it. So to create it, you need to have a Photoshop and Telegram. You have to install it in your computer. So first I open my Telegram and here sticker. Sorry. Click on a sticker, click slash, click add for you will add a new sticker, click on new pack. You see, yeah, a new sticker set. Now choose the name, okay. I say my sticker like this, enter. Okay, my sticker name is my sticker, and they ask us to create, to add picture in this. So the size is 512, modify 512. So go to Photoshop, create. It said 512, height 512, pixel. It's a resolution 300 and transparent. Create. Okay. So I have a picture. I will add this picture to the Photoshop. This picture, yeah. And I will write the name Cambodia. Click, select all, Control A. Sorry. Here. Click on it. I want to be stroke with stroke here, and I want it to be white. Click on stroke, white, and shadow capacity distance like this. Okay, okay, and save this. Save as. Save in as PNG desktop Cambodia. Select save here. Okay. Okay. So where is it? Oh, I'm sorry. I save as Photoshop file. I need to save as PNG. Again, PNG. Yeah. Oh, it's come up. I'm sorry. But where is it? I confused where I save it. I save it in lesson. I need to find it. Where is it? Where is the file? Oh, the file is here. And move in the desktop. Okay, so open the Telegram. So they ask us to add photo in this Telegram. Click here. It's in desktop, yeah, yeah. This is Cambodia. Here. Open. Send. Okay, they said thanks. Send me emoji that. Okay, send emoji. Oh, I will click here. Send emoji. Emoji here is a flag. I want find flag. Flag Cambodia. It's okay. Cambodia. It's around this flag. A lot of flags. Where is it? Cambodia. Where's Cambodia? Here, Cambodia. Okay. And click send. They said congratulations, sticker is unset. To add another sticker. Yeah. And now when you're done, you click published. They said what? You can to set icon and skip this. Yeah, skip. Okay, this is the our oh no, animals. Where is it? Provide a short name. I forget a short name. Provide us a short name. Okay. What is the short name? I said okay. Khmer, Cambodia. Enter. Yes, it's finished. See here? This is our sticker. I'm sorry. So you can add this to your sticker here. See here? In the sticker. It's come up here now. Or you can copy this one. Copy this to other guys you want here. Example, I want to copy this guy. So when this guy click on this one, it will come up like this, so they can share or add in their own sticker. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more. Bye bye.